If you are looking to buy your hosting from HostingGuard, then this is the right time of the year, because right now the Black Friday deals are going on. Plus, I will give you a special discounting and two of the finest coupon codes through which you can get additional discounts on already running Black Friday deals. Now, to buy your hosting from HostingGuard, what you have to do is to simply click on the link in the description. Once you click on exclusive buy now link in the description, you will be landed to a page like this where you can see an amazing Black Friday buy now deal running by HostingGuard. And the two coupon codes are going to give you further discounts on already running deals. So guys, what you have to do is to scroll below first and see how great HostingGuard is. You can see that HostingGuard is being recommended WordPress.org, Trustpilot, Google, Host Advice, W Beginner, all of them says that HostingGuard is one of the best hosting to buy on. And if you look around at the Trustpilot reviews, because they are clickable, you may see that the majority of the reviews are either 5-star reviews. I'm not saying all of the reviews are 5-star reviews, but the majority are 5-star reviews. And the best is that you are being covered with 30 days money back guarantee. So for any issues, when you buy your hosting, it's being covered with 30 days money back guarantee. These are the three most popular plan. And you know that hosting had fast, secure and reliable servers. You can create websites in seconds through their powerful AI builder, and you're getting free domains with all of the annual plans at HostingGuard. And website migration is easy and simple. So if you are coming from another hosting company to HostingGuard, HostingGuard has a dedicated tool through which you can easily shift your website to HostingGuard. But still, in case you need help, the agents are going to help you when you buy your hosting from HostingGuard, and that too free of cost. Plus, the control panel is super easy. Anyone can operate it. Even a newbie can use it. So easy to use. And you know that they have data centers all around the world. So you can choose any data center according to your preference. And the security features are just mind-blowing. You are being provided with automatic backups for your website, SSL certificates, and DDoS attacks prevention is included in all of the plans. So you can buy with all of the security features you may need it. Now move on to the plans we have. That either you buy any of the plan, you can get additional discounts. Make sure to click on the link in the description by using these coupon codes. But before you buy any plan, I highly recommend you to simply select the see all features, so you can do a thorough research of what feature function you want before buying any plan. So there are slight changes, but keep in mind the business plan is the most popular plan, but you can offer the premium plan as well. Simply select the choose plan with any plan after you are done with your research to buy. Once you select the choose plan, you will be redirected to another page. Over here or on that page, you can see that this is a limited time Black Friday deal to buy on, and I want you guys to take the advantage of it by simply opting for the 48 months or 24 months, so that you can save the major amount of money. But again, you can choose any according to your preference, but these prices won't appear again when you buy. So I want you guys to take the full advantage of it. After this, you can see that your price has already huge discount loaded, but I'm going to give you two of the finest coupon codes through which you can get additional discounts on already running Black Friday deals. You can find this coupon code in the description of this video along with a special discount link. Once you apply it, you're gonna see that your price is going to get a further discount on already running discount deals. Now there is another coupon code as well, and it is with the name of HI10. Simply select the apply, and you're gonna see that the price got a further discount. After this, simply select the continue over here. Once you select the continue, you are being redirected over here. You can see that because you are buy your hosting from HostingGuard, your discount is already loaded. Now write your billing details over here and simply select the continue over here. Once you select the continue, now enter your payment details over here. You can HostingGuard offer a variety of payment methods. When you buy your hosting from HostingGuard, you can use either of them, and then select your preferred one and write your billing details, and simply select the submit button. That's how easily you can buy your hosting from HostingGuard. If you ask me, I have been using HostingGuard from the last 3 years, and my experience is so far very good, and I highly recommend you guys to buy your hosting from HostingGuard. So good luck with your hosting from HostingGuard, especially in this Black Friday deals. Good luck.